Actually, I was surprised. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Anywhere you dey, you may dey look me so. It's like you never hear, abi they never tell you. Today may be January 2nd. A great king was born today. Today, everywhere mede. Na your darling wife, Sonia, na him call me like this, na him chairman me like this. He say make I come wish you happy birthday. He say make I tell you say today may be January 2nd, na your day. He say make you all dey enjoy dey go, make you all dey popori dey go. Say he dey beside you. As far as say today may be January 2nd, January 2nd na your day. That's why he call me like this. He say he wish you long life and prosperity. One money tell your bank account. He say as money go take dey change, dey enter your bank account. You will be short alive because say today may be January 2nd, na your day. Friends and well wishers, in fact, all your family say make I tell you say today na your day. They say me you all dey enjoy it. You make dey look me so. Make you join me to congratulate, to wish the dopest king happy birthday. Today may be January 2nd, na your day. Oh, your darling wife Sonia, he say may I wish you long life and prosperity. He say today na your day, nobody get your day. That's why me dey here so they wish you happy birthday. That's so today na your day. Everywhere go still today, everywhere go mede. You may dey look me so. Join me to congratulate the dopest king and wish the dopest king happy birthday. Once again, happy birthday. Long life and prosperity. Because say what? Hey, man.